Hello friends, today we are going to discuss comparison between organizations type. In last lecture we discussed that what is organization, what is the importance of organization structure. There are different organization structures are available: functional, projectized, and matrix organization. Today we are going to discuss difference between them. There are several differences between projectized and other types of organization. In projectized organization, the project manager has all the authority he wants as opposed to matrix and functional organization, where the project manager has no or little authority. The project manager owns the resources as opposed to matrix and functional organization, where he borrows the resources from the other organization. Resources are only allocated to the projects in project type organization. In other type of organization, resources report to their functional managers and usually do routine non-project work. So this is the chart for differentiation between the different organization structures. So project characteristics for different organizational structures are: project manager's authority in functional, little or none. In weak matrix, low authority is there. In balanced matrix, low to moderate. In strong matrix, moderate to high, but in projectile, high to almost total. Now next, resources availability. In functional organization, resource availability little or nothing. In weak matrix, resources are low. Balanced matrix low or moderated. In strong matrix, moderate to high. In projectile, high to almost total. Who manages the project budget? In functional organization, functional manager is there. Weak matrix, functional manager is there. Balanced matrix, both there. Functional manager is also and project manager is also there. In strong matrix, project manager is there. In projectiles, finally, project manager is there to complete the who manage the project budget. Project manager's role in functional part-time, weak matrix part-time, balanced matrix full-time role is there. In strong matrix, full-time role of project manager is there. In project type full-time role is there. Project management administrative staff, functional part-time is there. In weak matrix, part-time is there. In balanced matrix, part-time. In strong matrix, full-time project management administrative staff is there. In project type, full-time project type management administrative staff is there. So this is for organizational. This is the different common difference between the organizational structure. Okay, thank you so much.